Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a GIF as a reply on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First go to this comments icon, click on it, and here you will find GIF, click on it, and here as you see you can choose any GIF you want from here or search for GIFs, and that's it. That's how to post a GIF on as a reply on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.